हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं तन्मय भट्ट और आपका स्वागत है मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल तन्मय भट्ट पे। दोस्तों, हमने सी लैंग्वेज के पार्ट 5 में देखा था कि डेटा टाइप्स के बारे में। तो दोस्तों, हम इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं वेरिएबल्स के बारे में। तो ठीक है दोस्तों, हम वेरिएबल्स के बारे में देखते हैं। वेरिएबल्स, अ वेरिएबल इज नथिंग बट अ नेम गिवन टू अ स्टोरेज area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Upper and lower case letters are distinct because C is case sensitive. Based on the basic types explained in the previous chapter, there will be the following basic variable types. Character, typically a single octet. It is an integer type. Integer, the most natural size of integer of the machine. Float, a single precious floating point value. Double, a double precision floating point value. Word representation, the absence of type. C programming language also always to define various other types of variables, which we will cover in subsequent characters like enumeration, pointer, array, structure, union, and etc. For this chapter, let us study only basic variable types. अब दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं वेरिएबल definition in C. A variable definition tells the compiler where and how much storage to create for the variable. A variable definition specifies a data type and contains a list of one or more variables of that type as follows. Here type must be a valid C data type including character W, character, integer, float, double, bool or any user defined object, and variable list may consist of one or more identifier names separated by commas. Some valid declarations are shown here: integer, character, float, double, I, C, F, D, JK, CH or salary. The line integer I, J, K declares and defines the variable I, J and K, which instruct the compiler to create variables named ij and k type integer. Variables can be initialized in their declaration. The initializer consists of an equal sign followed by a constant expression as follows. For definition without an initializer, variables with static storage duration are empirically initialized with null. The initial value of all other variables are underdefined. External keyword in C. External keyword in C applies to C variable and C functions. Basically, the external keyword extends the visibility of the C variables and C functions. That's probably the reason why it was named extern. Though most people probably understand the difference between the declaration and the definition of a variable or function. For the sake of completeness, let's clarify it. Declaration of a variable or function simply declares that the variable or function exists somewhere in the program but the memory is not allocated for them. The declaration of a variable or function serves an important role. It tells the program what its type is going to be. In the case of function declaration, it also tells the program the arguments, their data types, the order of those arguments, and the return type of the function. So that's all about the declaration. Coming to the definition, when we define a variable or function, in addition to everything that a declaration does, it also allocates memory for that variable or function. Therefore, we can think of the definition as a superset of the declaration. Extern is a short name for external. The extern variable is used when a particular file needs to access a variable from another file. Syntax of external in C. The syntax of define an external variable in C is just to use the extern keyword before the variable declaration. Variable declaration in C. A variable declaration provides assurance to the compiler that there exists a variable with the given type and name, so that the compiler can proceed for further compilation without requiring the complete detail about the variable. A variable definition has its meaning at the time of compilation only. The compiler needs actual variable definition at the time of linking the program. A variable declaration is useful when you are using multiple files and you define your variable in one of the files which will be available at the time of linking of the program. You will use the keyword extern to declare a variable at any place. Though you can declare a variable multiple times in your C program, it can be defined only once in a file, a function, or a block of code. Try the following example where variables have been declared at the top but they have been defined and initialized inside the main function. The same concept applies on function declaration, where you provide a function name at the time of its declaration and its actual definition can be given anywhere else. For example, L values and R values in C. L values. अब दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं L values के बारे में. Expression that refer to a memory location are called L value expressions. An L value may appear as either the left hand or right hand side of an assignment. अब दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं R value के बारे में. The term R value refers to a data value that is stored at some address in memory. An R value is an expression that cannot have a value assigned to it, which means an R value may appear on the right hand side but not on the left hand side of an assignment. Variables are L value and so they may appear on the left hand side of an assignment. Numeric literals are R values and so they may not be assigned and cannot appear on the left hand side. Take a look at the following valid and invalid statement. तो दोस्तों हमने आज बात की वेरिएबल्स के बारे में. आज के लिए इतना ही. हम फिर मिलेंगे न्यू टॉपिक के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.